Hello everyone, this is my web technology lab experiment 5. First let me show you the question. Here I need to design 6 type of things here. Now the first I need to write a JavaScript code which splits the given string and then finds the longest word from that. And then first let me show you my code. It is for the largest string, and here is the text. Place on click me. This particular is for the text field, and this particular for the button. And then here comes the main logic, the code part. I am just getting the value in the text box using document.getElementById, and I stored it in str, and then I'm splitting that str into different words, and then just I'm performing this particular part to know which is a longest word in that. And then coming to my next part, first let me run and show you that. Yeah, here it is. Let me actually Paul is the longest word in the sentence I have typed. That's why it is showing Paul. The result obtained is correct. And then coming to next is BMI calculator. It calculates the BMI based on the weight and the height of yours. Let me check it. It'll be 55 and then 167. Yeah, the BM is underweight because for the height of 167, at least the weight must be 70. And let me show you that how it is calculated. And then here I am getting the text values from the text field using the getElementById and converting it to float. And then here I'm calculating. Here's the main logic where I'm calculating the BMI. Here I'm calculating the BMI, and then here comes if it is underweight or normal weight or overweight. And then coming to the flower garden, here I'll be entering the number of rows and columns, and based on the number of rows and columns, the trees, the number of trees is planted, maybe the number of plants, plant garden. Here it comes, beautiful. And then coming to my next question, let me show you the logic how I made it. Here it is, function grow. Here I am just selecting 3 kinds of pictures and putting that in an array. And then here flow function is used to randomly give a number. It is actually a Java function. And then coming to my next, here I'm getting the rows values and the column values from the text field using getElementById. And then here I'm printing I'm printing the rows and columns, number of rows and columns in the picture manner. And then coming to my next question, to weight converter, it converts maybe kg to lb or lb to kg. And then let me show you the logic. Here it is an option, convert script. When I click on convert, the particular this button, the function calculate is called, and the particular value is calculated. And then coming to the toss coin, here I need to flip the coin. Whenever I flip it needs to say whether it is heads or tails. it is a random. Again, I think the random function is used here. Yeah, the same math.floor, math.random. This particular function is used to decide whether the given, when the coin is tossed, head or tail is obtained. And then coming to the pizza order form, there will be different costs in the pizza: small pizza, medium pizza, and large pizza, and the tip percentage. Based on these values, the total cost is calculated. Here it comes, it is the main part here. It decides how many medium, how many small, and how many large, and the tip is calculated here based on that radio button here which you have selected, and the particular value from the radio button is obtained in this way: document.query selector, which it selects the radio button which we have selected. Let me 10%, number of small pizza maybe 4, 2, and 1. Let me calculate it. Calculate order. It is 1320, and that's it for the experiment 5.